Robert, thanks for tuning in. I am sitting on the brand new parking lot facility on Highway 65, about 20 miles north of Nashville, Tennessee. And I wanted to bring you this video because a lot of people ask me, what parts do I take when I hit the road? You know, when people hit the road, you're a little bit afraid something's going to break down and they're going to get stranded. So this is the parts I take when I hit the road. My car, as you know, I take relatively good care of it. But when you hit the road, you want to make sure you're not going to break down. So you need to take a few things with you. This is what you need to make sure you make it there in peace. Just take a whole parts car. You know, you can get a trailer for $600. You can pick up a parts car anywhere from $200 to $600. You got extra brakes, you got rotors, you got a window, you got door locks, you got PCV system, you got spark plugs, you got fuel pump. Now you want to make sure you have a car that is the same format as the car you drive. So just hook you up a parts car and you'll be fine. Now, on a more serious note, the only parts I ever take with me when I'm going on a trip is a part that I know is failing. If I'm having alternator issues, I'll probably throw an alternator in the car. If I'm having fuel pump issues, I'll throw a fuel pump in the car. But if I'm not having any issues with the car, I don't take any parts. So yeah, I hit the road, travel 5, 6, 8, 10,000 miles in a month with no spare parts. You know, a car will normally warn you, and if you maintain it, you'll know that if it'll go 30 miles, it'll go 300. If it'll go 300, it'll go 1,000. So I don't take spare parts with me when I hit the road, unless, of course, I know something is about to fail. Thanks for watching. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.